Hey, it's Yousaf. Welcome back to Code with Yousaf. Today, I want to talk about a question that is everywhere right now. That is, will AI replace web developers? So the tools that we have like ChatGPT, Copilot, Cursor IDE, and many other tools that we have. So where it leave us, the developers? So let's talk about this. Okay, we will honestly answer to this question as I am in this field with development for last 3 years, and I have used these tools also. So I will explain you and tell you the reasons that should we use them or not, or they will replace developers or not. So let's come to the answer of this question. So my honest answer to this question is it will never and it will not replace developers. The reason for that is, yeah, that is writing and generating code for art, but that doesn't know our goal, our project, the business logic, the sense of our project, what we are going to build. Yeah, it is generating and the boilerplate code for us, but it will replace those developers who ignore AI. Because the AI is a powerful assistant for us. It is just a side partner for us. It is helping with us. It is helping in generating code, make things easy for us, and it saves hours and hours. If we were writing a code before in 3 or 4 hours, now we can just write that code in minutes because of AI. It is just a side partner for us. It is fixing bugs, generating code, and even writing documentation for us. So don't skip that and don't be scared from learning AI. So AI is just a side partner, a helper with us to help with us. So this was just, I have used these tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Cursor ID, and many other tools there are. And we will see more tools as we are going to, for example, in 2026, we will have more advanced tools like that. So this is just a start of the AI, start of the best tools that we have like Copilot, ChatGPT, and other tools. So don't be scared from this. This was my honest answer for this question. And what do you think? Just write down your answer in comment. What do you think about this? Will it replace or not? And in the next videos, we will just explain a few tools, AI tools, and also how to write prompt for that and how to use them. And there are many other tools in the market that you might don't know. So I will explain all of them for you. Thanks for watching.